Oh, that's Big Phil. You know what I mean? Got the 88 run time. Oof. Ooh.
245s all around, dog.
Camaros, Firebirds, 88s. They're coming. The bird. The bird.
F-body boys, dog.
Hell yeah, F-body boys. For the spoiler and everything. We're both gonna have the spoilers. I'm gonna get my shit going.
You know what it is?
Ooh, we're smashing this thing one time. You know? About to go out to Battery Plus. Man, this thing is just beautiful. First I got a video of him rolling, we rolling. You know what I mean?
Nice,
Hood, we're gonna get carbon fiber hood full. Hood scoops, hood pins, everything. We're gonna get it all done. You know, she's beautiful though, dude. Look at the interior. Get the full walk around. About to get the battery for the Jimmy. Look at this immaculate dash. You gotta know greatness when you see it, dude. You know what I'm saying? Stereo. Starts right up. Feels it. You did it, dog. You know what I mean? You did it.
Been working on this shit, man.
It's just sick as fuck. Smashing out one time. We're gonna go out smashing. Just this little, you know, little cruising and shit down the boulevard.
Well,
put this shit on the GoPro.
It's been 2 years, dog.
2 years.
I've been working on this shit.
Look at that, bam. Now you got smartphones and shit, so it just sits there. You know what I'm saying? Smashing them all day. About to listen to some Bone Thugs, some Snoop-a-Loop. You know, this is fucking clean as shit. Now we're about to do some donuts right here. Yeah! All day.